In this video, I'll show you how to order food on DoorDash with Cash App. The first step is to open your DoorDash application. Once you're on the main screen, simply choose any meal you'd like to order. After selecting your item, tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom. When your item has been added, tap on the View Cart button. This will bring up your order summary showing the total amount to be paid. From here, tap the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the Address section. Choose the delivery address where you'd like your food to be delivered, then select the delivery time that works best for you. Once that's set, move forward and you'll reach the Order Confirmation screen. If you'd like to leave a tip, you can do so here. When everything looks good, tap on the Place Order button. Now you'll be directed to the payment screen. From the available options, select Cash App Pay. This will open a window where you need to enter your Cash App details. Once you confirm your information, the payment will be processed directly through Cash App and your order will be placed successfully. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.